What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ryobi 254, man. Tune in for another one. Let's see what we got here. Ryobi One Plus system. I'm now officially part of the fam. I thought I was going to get another Milwaukee. That ended up not being the case. I actually ended up getting this. The reason that I ended up getting this is because I paid $99 for this, the 2-battery system. 2 batteries, fast charger, boom. Then I got this free, $80 value, 18 volt, man. So, you know, we got the lithium, 18 volt. Let me go ahead and open up the box. All right, so as you can see here, we have 2 3-amp-hour batteries. Lithium, 18 volt, brand new. 2 of them things. You got a fast charger, not a slow charger. This is a fast charger. Slide them bad boys in there just like that. It'll charge up once it's plugged in. Pretty much. Now let me show you the reciprocating saw. All right, so now as you can see, the Ryobi 18 volt, got a lock on here so you don't like accidentally pull the trigger or something, saw something off. It says one-handed blade replacement. Just lift it up, put your blade in. Too easy, too easy. Battery snaps in just like that. And you go to work. Now this is not the brushless, but honestly, for the price, you really can't beat it. You really can't. $100 for the 2 batteries and the fast charger, and the tool is free. The tool is like an $80 value. Can't beat it with a stick. So let me show you basically what we are replacing. All right, so basically what we're upgrading from is this porter cable set here. As you can see, old technology, NiCad battery, not as much power, batteries run down. This was used. I bought it from the pawn shop. I bought a whole set. Came with 2 batteries, came with this reciprocating saw here. It also came with this hand saw here, or a table saw, whatever you want to call it. It also came with a drill, which is right here, and it also came with what else that shit come with? Came with a flashlight. Flashlight is fucking trash too. But you know, it all came in a set. I forgot what I paid for it. At the time, it seemed like a good deal, but not actually being up to breast on lithium technology and tools and stuff. But now, since I watched Cat Loco's Garage, he tells me about all these fancy tools. Y'all go check out his channel. Also, who else? Brad's Workbench, MC the Shiz, and then, man, that's a lot of guys on a tool tip. So, yeah, out with the old NiCad, and then in with the new lithium. Am I gonna be changing everything over the porter cable? Not, or over. Excuse me. Am I gonna be changing everything over to Ryobi? Not exactly sure yet. I think it will compromise of Ryobi and in Milwaukee in the future. just because that's kind of the way we're leaning. So yeah, man, I'm gonna charge everything up. Being that we have upgraded, we'll put this on like the local Craigslist or something for like 50 bucks. Like, we'll put it at like 75. You know what I'm saying? And then we'll be like, you know what, man, I'll let you get it for 50. You caught me in a good mood today. I'll let you get it for 50. Or we'll put it at 100 and drop it to 75. You know what I'm saying? It's the tool for what we plan to use it for, or what we have used it for. We basically like cutting through some, you know, metal or whatever. I have heard the portal cable is good for like cutting through wood and shit. Metal, not so much. Also has a lot to do with the blades. I picked up some Diablo blades. So if we need to cut the exhaust off of this here cutlass and go start from scratch, then we are able to do that. So yeah, man, that's another video. Yeah, so y'all just make sure you stay tuned. As you can see, this was like some of the pieces that was in the cutlass. Well, not the cutlass, the Ryobi. I was trying to tape it, trying to glue it back down, but it's not really working. But it's all good. It's not that serious. Glance over at Bay. Yeah, so yeah, man, appreciate you for watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tag a friend, tell a friend about these awesome Ryobi tools. Some people don't like Ryobi. Some people are brand whores. Yep, I said it. LS said it. Some people are brand whores. You know what I'm saying? I am a brand whore to Chevrolet. Thus, LS Chevrolet 254. So I get it. I get it. You know what I'm saying? The only thing that I crept out of the side of the brand on was going with my truck, and it is what it is. So another thing, I don't know what I was about to say. Anyway, it's your boy LS Chevrolet 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination.